Hi everyone, it's Atif from Zebra Home Cinema. We're halfway through the garage conversion project, so there's a couple of things I just wanted to show you, so follow me. If you remember from the last video, we created a hatch in here which the projector is going to be housed in. It's going to be in a separate section than the actual garage. That'll reduce the noise coming from the fan from the projector, and also this particular client, they didn't want to see the projector in the room, so this is quite a neat way of hiding it. And then we've got cabling coming in from the garage. You can see the cable's already here, ready to go into the existing rack. So we've made a bit of progress in here since the last video. First thing to notice, everything's been double boarded. So the walls, the ceiling, these cavities have been created using plywood to hold the in-wall speakers in, just to reduce the vibrations. You can see one of the cavities here, that's for the front right ceiling speaker, and we're going to have two at the front, and the client's decided that they want two rear speakers in the ceiling as well, so we're having 4 ceiling speakers. You can just see that another box has been prepared here, just to house one of the rear speakers, and the cabling's already been done. We've got a track prepared for LED lighting. So we're going to have dimmable LED lighting going down the back, down the sides and just under the screen, just to give the room a bit of detail really in the finish. Next stage is plastering everything, getting the lighting prepared, and then decorating, carpet, seating, and once that's done we'll be installing all the speakers. Give it another couple of weeks and we should have a further update for you. So hope you guys will have a good day. See you later.